The grid scalper MT5 can make 5% per month consistently. When I watched these reviews, there are a lot of good reviews, and then I decided to do its proper in-depth optimization process on the last 3 years of data with the 100% quality data. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back to TradingBotLab. I'm your host Abdul. Simply let's move to my screen and you can simply go to TradingBotLab, and if you select here on the EA, it will open a new tab and bring you to this page. And from here you can read all this description and download this EA for free. And now let me show you the results. Here I have selected Euro USD and USD CAD. So if I click here in the single, you can see the single result of Euro USD, and if I select USD CAD, it will show only one result at a time. So if I click here on the combined view, and by this way I can select multiple or single or more than two results if available. Okay, so here is the balance and equity line. You can see how nicely it is going upward, and here below I have deposited only $100 in my cent account, and it made $189 in the last 3 years, which are almost 5% per month growth. And if you want to see exactly in which month how much it make money, and here you can see month by month progress. There are some month when it make 30%, and there are also when it make almost 2.9 or something like that. If you want to use this EA for free, you can simply download the EA from the MPL5 website, and to download this setting you need to simply go to the TradingBotLab, and here you will see a download button. When you click on it, the set files will be downloaded for the Euro USD, and when you click on this download button, the set file for the USD CAD will be downloaded. If you want to watch this kind of videos on all other boards including free and paid, let me know in the comment section and I will do my best to bring the video for you as soon as possible. For now, that's it, and see you soon in the next video. Goodbye.